Okay, we are at 6th gear now. Oh my god. 150. Hi friends, welcome back to Urban Throttler. We have speed 400 here. I know we have been riding Highness from last 5 years, and when it's of my friend. We changed our bike for 1 week, and yeah, I just wanted to try it out and see how more power would feel. And yeah, let's quickly ride it and see how different it is from Highness. I know Highness is a, I would say, a tourer or a cruiser bike. It's more of a retro cafe with great power. I don't know the numbers, but I think it produces around what, 44 45 bhp. Yeah, cluster feels good. I like the digit, the analog speedometer. What else do we have? The tank looks small for a 400cc bike. I mean, my Highness tank seems bigger, and I think it is bigger. This is maybe of 11 liter. Highness is of what, 12 and a half or 13. So yeah, let's ride. First gear. We won't be doing any speed test, guys. All right. Okay. Surprisingly, I had to change to third gear. I don't know. I mean, it felt like the bike required a change. Let me just adjust the camera. It's light. It's very agile. Okay. Oh, that's good. Pickup is good, guys. I know it's long since I rode one of these. I mean, I have tried Apache, Pulsar and all, but yeah, since I started modifying my own Highness, I was never curious to ride another bikes. I always liked mine. And oh my, it's quick, yeah, it's really quick. Again, I don't know the torque figures and all, but it really feels good to ride such a quirky bike after so long. I mean, it wants you to just rev. I mean, not because of the sound. I hate the sound, by the way, because I have red rooster on my Highness. But the acceleration is great. I mean, I could remember my test ride when I did of Duke 390, I think Gen 3, a couple of years ago. I could relate this bike to Duke 390. Braking is good. Okay. Again, as I said, power delivery is great. I don't want to touch Android, but surprisingly I do. I like to rev it just to feel that acceleration. I know my Highness touches what, 130, 140, but the time that it takes to touch 140 is what, maybe 4x or 5x from this bike. I don't know, the 0 to 100 of this bike, it might be mine is what, 11 seconds 0 to 100. This bike could easily do 0 to 100 in, I'm sure, 8 seconds. I might be wrong. Let's try that again. Oh my god. We are doing what, 130? Oh my god, 740. Great bike, yaar. Well, you could feel that rush when you ride something so good. Again, I love my Highness. I freakingly love with my Highness, but it's the kind of what kick that you feel whenever you ride something different and more exciting. I would say yes, it is more exciting to ride. Again, yeah, it's a proper cafe racer, retro cafe racer. You can't compare it with Highness. You can compare it with CB CB350 RS though, but again, 350cc with what, 23, 24 PS. This is what, 45, 44. I don't know the figures. Okay, we have a. There's a lag. There's a lag between third and fourth gear. Okay, we are at 6th gear now. 390. Huge power delivery, great pickup. The handling is superb. The 390 feels light. It's way too lighter, and I think that is why people often say that 390s are. I mean, the handling is 390 is great, but that bike is way lighter and it requires a lot of focus to be driven at high speeds. This might not. It's way more. I would say when people say usually that the car or the bike sticks to the road at high speed, that's what it does. At 150, I was not feeling scared to be at 150 on this bike, even though with the lightweight. Again, I keep saying lightweight. I don't know how much it weighs. But yeah, we've reached home, guys. I wish I could ride it. In second gear, usually it goes till 150. So not 1, it touches 50 almost in second gear. It's good. We'll try creating another video maybe tomorrow morning, just so that you can have a good look at the bike. I think you all have seen this bike. It's not that you would like to specifically see how the bike looks, but ride quality is great. I know it's a short video, and again, I think people who do not want to buy a cruiser bike are looking for something more powerful yet street friendly, city friendly. This is a great bike, and even for maybe occasional tourer as well. So yeah, I know it touches around 160. Again, I've not researched about this bike. He works in my office, and we discussed last week that we will change our bikes for a week or two, and today I just remembered that, and I told him, guys, let's switch. So yeah, thank you for watching the video, guys. Let me know if in case you have any questions. Love you all. Bye bye.